Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this red 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is equipped with the Sport Appearance package. Got a 302A on here, so you've got a black molded running board, remote entry keypad into the door. You've got heated mirrors with blind spot mirrors, power window controls, power adjustable foot pedals, lighting controls, manual or powered cloth seats with lumbar support. They're also heated. This does have the 5-liter V8 in it. You've got an infotainment screen here with trip and fuel, towing, off-road status, and settings. Cruise control on the left, and then you've got hands-free and media controls on the right. Traction control, 4-way flashers, and auto start stop up top. Then you get your sync 3 sound system with built-in hotspot, forward pass, and various other features. A locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, and then a trailer backup assist. Climate controls are below that with your heated seat controls. You've got a cubby down here for change and 2 USB ports. You've also got a 12-volt outlet over here with a household plug. Up top is a auto-dimming rearview mirror, and then you've got some interior lighting controls. If you come around to the back, you've got your Sport 4x4 badge. You've got a paint-matched rear bumper. Rearview camera right above the Ford logo here. The truck bed. You have the option to put a drop-in or a spray-in bed liner in here. You've got LED box lighting. You've also got a rear passenger window. Looking into the back seat, you've got some cubbies in your rear doors here. Back seats are cloth. They do fold up for more storage. Lots of leg room back here. Your center console for the rear has 2 cup holders, another 12-volt outlet, 2 more USB ports, and another household plug. You can charge several devices in this truck. You've got a nice pattern on the seats in the rear here, as well as the front. Very, very comfortable. You've got a dome light up top here. You've got some hooks on either side to hang any bags or anything you may please. And then if we come around to the front, you've got paint matched bumper up front, halogen headlights and fog lights, LED turn signals. You've got tow hooks here, gunmetal metallic gray grille, all around a gorgeous truck. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.